So students, after learning meaning of planning and features of planning, our next topic is importance or significance of planning. This topic is very important for your board exam, and there are various importance of planning which you can see very nicely. First one is provides direction, and planning reduces the risk of uncertainty. Planning reduces overlapping and wasteful activities, and it promotes innovative ideas, and it facilitates decision making, establishes standard for controlling and planning attention on objectives of the company. So now I'm going to start explaining one by one all the importance and significance of planning. So our first one is provides direction. So planning is concerned with predetermined course of action. It provides the direction to the efforts of employees. Planning makes clear what employees have to do and how to do. By stating in advance how work has to be done, planning provides direction for action. Employees know in advance in which direction they have to go, they have to work. This leads to unity of direction also. If there were no planning, employees would be working in different directions and organization would not be able to achieve its desired goal. Next one is planning reduces the risk of uncertainty. See, organization have to face many uncertainties and unexpected situations every day. Planning helps the manager to face the uncertainty because planners try to foresee the future by making some assumptions regarding future, keeping in mind their past experience and scanning of business environment. The plans are made to overcome such uncertainties. The plans also include unexpected risks such as fire or some other calamities in the organization. Next one is planning reduces overlapping and wasteful activities. The organizational plans are made keeping in mind the requirement of all the departments. The departmental plans are derived from many organizational plans. As a result, there will be coordination in different departments. On the other hand, if the managers, non-managers, and all the employees are following course of action according to the plan, then there will be integration in the activities. Plans ensure clarity of thoughts and action, and work can be carried out smoothly. Next is planning promotes innovative ideas. Planning requires high thinking and it's an intellectual process. So there is a great scope of finding better ideas, better methods and procedure to perform a particular job. Planning process forces managers to think differently and assume the future conditions. So it makes the managers innovative and creative. Next one is planning facilitate decision making. Planning helps the managers to take various decisions as in planning, goals are set in advance and predictions are made for future. So these predictions and goals help the managers to take fast decisions. Next one is planning establishes standard for controlling. Controlling means comparison between planned and actual output. And if there is variation between both, then we have to find out the reason for such deviations and taking measures to match the actual output with the planned output. But in case there is no planned output, then controlling manager will have no base to compare whether the actual output is adequate or not. For example, if the planned output for a week is 100 units and actual output produced by employee is 80 units, then the controlling manager must take measures to bring the 80 units production up to 100 units. But if the planned output is 100 unit is not given by the planner, then finding out whether 80 unit production is sufficient or not will be difficult to know. So the base for comparison in controlling is given by planning functions only. So these were the importance or significance of planning.